Here I have Doogee T20, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Do Not Disturb. So by tap on it once, you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can add exceptions to this mode. It could be people, it could be apps, it could be alarms and other interruptions. You can also set up a schedule for this mode, like you can select days on which it will be active, start time, end time of this schedule. You can set up default duration of this mode, and you can also hide notifications, like you can only disable sounds from notifications, or you can disable sounds and visuals. Or you can customize here which items you want to see, which not, and yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.